So guys, let us learn about the first chapter, third topic, types of friction. There are 4 types of friction. The first one, static friction. Static friction is a type of frictional force which occurs between the objects that are stationary, which prevents the object from slipping or sliding. Take an example. When you walk or run, the static friction prevents your shoe from slipping backward against the ground. Now you will think, why does it happen? I will tell you. On a microscopic level, even the surfaces that are perfectly smooth are actually rough, containing tiny ridges and grooves. When the two objects, like a book and table, are in contact at rest, these tiny grooves interlock with each other and create a grip. So how I can write on the board? The rough surface, this is smooth, but when you will see with the microscope closely, you will see some types of grooves, bumps. Now the chalk and the board, now the rough surface is interlocking with chalk and creating a grip. That's how I can write on the board. So I will show you in practical. I took a pad and a eraser. I will keep this eraser on a pad. And I will make some slide, and the eraser is not slipping. So that's how you can recognize that the static friction is applied in this practical. The eraser and the pad interlock with each other and creating a grip. That's how the eraser can stay on the original position. That's how you can recognize the static friction is used in your daily lives. So let us learn about the second friction, sliding friction. This friction is also known as kinetic friction. It occurs between the two objects when one moves relative to the other. It is characterized by magnitude that is lower than the static friction. And now take an example. If we rub our hands, it becomes warm. We feel warm because of friction. As friction produces heat. That's how the sliding friction occurs in our daily lives. Going to the third type of friction, rolling friction. Rolling friction occurs when an object rolls across another surface. It is characterized by minimal resistance to motion. Take an example, vehicle tires. When the vehicle moves on the roads, the tires rolls because of rolling friction. So the last type of friction is fluid friction. Fluids consist both liquid and gases and exert a frictional force known as drag. This drag relies on factors such as object shape, material and velocity. Objects with streamlined shape, which are narrow at the front and broad at the back, experiences minimal fluid friction. Example, aeroplane, rockets or missiles are equipped with streamlined shape to traverse efficiently through air. That's how the fluid friction is used.